For today's drawing, I'm not going to do plus sign. I'm going to draw only one smiley face over here. And from here, I'm going to draw alphabet S. So when I will come here, I will not go long. I will go a little bit small one here. From here, I will start at the same time. I will start from here, and slowly by slowly, I will connect both of them. Over here, I will do two smiley. You can draw big or small, totally up to you. And then in the middle, I will take 1 point, an alphabet S over here and here. From this point, I'm going to do two curvy lines, and then I will connect them. I will leave little bit gap over here, and I will start from here, turn this one and go very close to this one. Same thing I will do here. So I'm just thinking this is going to be the neck over here, and then head will be here. From here, I'm going to do here. This is the line for the hair. I will go here and I will turn here. Now I'm going to erase everything from here, this side. Now I can take 1 point with as much as long hair you want. Suppose I pick this point, so I did alphabet U style. I will turn this one and I will go a little bit this side, and with the flow I did. Now here I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 star over here, and from this star I'm going to do one flowy line here. I can turn this one this way here, and from here it smoothly I have to take this line and go all the way to the star. So this line, this one is coming here, it will go here.